UCLA for less than 2 months before dropping out to pursue a career in comedy. You want to get out, you want to get anywhere, you want to get all the way to CBS. In the event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh, did you?
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's
I don't know how we pull this stuff off, especially the Tracy Morgan.
Because
You're the only one. You're the only person I've ever seen done a black comedian and no
Flipping out, and I started smashing things in the dressing room. I had basically a cathartic experience.
how long you been doing?
I do jujitsu.
You've been doing jujitsu.
If you hang in there, there is.
Well, people
You
don't know
what
what they...
really annoys the shit out of me?
What?
By different things. I read Mary Trump's book about Donald Trump, her uncle, which was a good book. Not really that much about Trump, more about his father. It was really more of a profile.
What wood?
You really gotta know what you're doing. Wood from a tree.
Pizza's great, and I love New York, and I
The effervescent beauty.
You ready to...
extrasensory perception. I got into composing and arranging and